If you are planning to visit Daman and Diu, but for some reasons you are unable to go there, then Prayagraj Sangam Nagari Mahakumbh is the perfect place for you. It's Sector 7 where the pavilion of Daman and Diu has been made, and we are right here on ground zero. First, see the visuals of this particular place where you can get the sense what actually is there in Daman and Diu. Also, get the sense from the design, from the architecture. We are showing you of Daman and Diu from here, from there, and from everywhere across from this pavilion. Not just the visuals and the architecture, but even the shops right in front of me. As you see in the visuals, the artisans have come from Daman and Diu to get you the sense, to take you to that particular union territory, that too while roaming around in the Mahakumbh area. So these visuals clearly tells the story, because we saw what happened in Maldives, and later when Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi visited Lakshadweep, things have changed. The tourism changed there, and now it's the time for Daman and Diu as well. So if you are planning to visit Daman and Diu but unable, so you can come here for a while. So I have been joined by Director Tourism of Daman and Diu, Tewatia ji with me. Tewatia ji, warm welcome to you on India Today TV.
Thank you so much.
What are your thoughts for this particular location? How have you set this particular pavilion, and what you are going to offer for those devotees who are coming in this particular area?
First, today we've inaugurated the UT pavilion of Dadra Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and Lakshadweep. As you can see, we have organized an exhibition which includes the tourist places, which includes its unique cultural heritage, and the transformational development works have been undertaken under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Administrator, sir. We've reflected the world-class seafronts, the higher education institutions like NIFT, GNLU, which have been established in the UT, and also you can see the serene beaches. On my left it's Daman, on my right is Diu, Dadra Nagar Haveli is there, and Lakshadweep. So we've tried our best to showcase so that our visitors and the devotees can witness a small part of our...
After Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit in Lakshadweep, how you see the gain in tourism right over there?
It has actually impacted, and under the visionary leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, sir, and our Honorable Administrator, sir, the tourism potential is increasing, and we are witnessing a windfall in the tourists of Dadra Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu and Lakshadweep as well.
For the time, and all the very best for this particular pavilion.
Thank you to the UP government for providing us all the support and assistance.
Okay, so these visuals clearly tells you the story, what actually you have for this Mahakumbh with this pavilion set up for you, making you your way to the Daman and Diu. With cameraman Sandeep Dubai, Samad Srivastava for India Today.